Hello, hello everyone! Have a wonderful night to all of you! It was a bit boring staying at home, kaya we decided to go outside for some fresh air here by the seaside. The cool breeze, relaxing views, and peaceful ambience made the night even more special. Medyo malayo siya sa house pero madali lang naman pumunta dito kasi hindi uso ang traffic, kaya sulit. Pagdating pa lang namin, unang sumalubong ang malamig at preskong simoy ng hangin mula sa dagat. Grabe! Mawiwili ka? Tara guys, samahan niya akong tumambay dito. Nauna na nga pala ang family ko. Ayun sila oh. Nag-check agad kami kung anong pwede naming kainin. Ang daming pagpipilian guys. May burger, fries, pizza, sandwiches, chicken, french fries, at marami pang iba.
Finally, eto na yung food namin. Zinger sandwich, chicken tikka pizza, and water for our drinks. Nothing beats spending quality family time on a cozy place like this, sharing good food, laughter, and making simple moments extra special.